Yeah.
Hey everyone, minigames here, and it's been a while since we've done this, and my dogs are barking.
That don't matter.
Oh yeah, anyways. I am back with DexYT. Check out his channel, description below.
Oh.
And if you haven't seen any of our Skyblock videos beforehand, then go check them out right now. Go. Actually go. I'm gonna wait here.
Yeah, we'll be here when we come back.
Yep. Welcome back. It's been a while. Thank you for watching all the other episodes. You better liked it. You better have. My dogs are barking. It's annoying. Oh my gosh! Anyways, guys, why are you destroying my staircase?
Because it sucks. You heard me.
You know what? This is what I have to come down to.
You know what, dude? I'll do it. I'll do it.
So, what we did off camera is nothing.
You did nothing. Look at all this cobble that I got.
Look at our automatic. You didn't do this.
Yes, I did, dude. I AFK'd it.
Oh.
I freaking put my router on my mouse.
Dude, we made that invention down here. We made this. What do we focus on in this episode, DexYT?
I'd say killing ourselves like this. Sound good?
No.
Right,
So, what we're gonna do today is, if you do /C and chat, you will see all these Skyblock challenges. And we need money. Pretty bad. So,
get 2 cows. Oh, I should not.
we're gonna start with the 64 units a week. So we're gonna quickly go into quick mode and, like, you know, do a speedy thingy and make a huge wheat farm. Alright guys, I'm back. I know it's no speed run going on right now, but that's for a good reason. I'm gonna speed run something else. I'm gonna make a mob grinder. So, I'll be back with you when I make that. Okay, I'm gonna start making that mob grinder here. I don't want to speed it up because I want some commentary in this video. I need a pickaxe. So Dex, how's YouTube?
Oh, it's going good.
That's great. Okay. Right now I'm making a mob grinder from another Skyblock that I have.
Why are you breaking that, homie?
Because, homie. Alright, I want to make it right here.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What was it, like 14?
Oh, so it's 4x4. I knew.
No, it's 2x2.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
It's 1x1 I meant. Yeah.
So it's supposed to be like this, dude.
Yeah, I know. No, we don't put the slabs there.
Yeah, you do, dude.
I'm making it the way I want to make it, bruh.
You gotta make it up again, right?
And
then break this. This is where we hit them. Oh shoot, what am I doing?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'll break them when I finish the build here. So 1, 2. I need to cut this out. I need to be my groove. Okay, if I do this, now I had to go up by 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh gee. I don't know.
I hope you guys enjoy the music going on right now that I can't hear. Get out of here. No. Not moving. Yeah, boy. Kit starter. Please have food. Oh yeah, pork chops.
Oh, you get leather armor? Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Alright, cool. Now I don't have to die every time. Kind of didn't finish this because I didn't have enough blocks. Because Dex over here didn't mine any blocks. I had to do everything.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So yeah, this is half in progress, halfway there. Hey, it's the first mob.
Is there really one already?
Yeah. You should go kill it. What was that? Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please click below and
Are
subscribe.
you depressed?
Enjoy the outro.
We are together.